It's the Rockfather here, deputy editor of the Toy Book, senior editor of the Toy Insider, and I just got a couple of cases of these Matchbox cars from Mattel. And I thought it would be fun to jump onto YouTube and do a little unboxing because I haven't done that in quite a while, and I should be more active over here. At least that's what YouTube's emails keep telling me. So these are the moving parts assortment. We're going to open these up and just crack right into it here. These have been out for a little while, and collectors might have found these already on shelves at major retailers. But you know, we want to show these off really as something not just for collectors, of course, but for kids, because I used to collect Matchbox cars as a kid, and I'm sure a lot of other folks did as well. As a matter of fact, my mom used to take me to a White Hen Pantry near my grandparents' farm, where they used to sell the Matchbox cars in a glass container on the display on the counter. And what they would do there is you would spin that thing around and you would tell the clerk what exactly you wanted, and he would break them out. So here we go. This is the Matchbox Moving Parts. This is the 1962 Jeep Willys wagon. This looks very familiar to anyone that was a kid back in the day when the U.S. Postal Service used to have mail trucks that looked a lot like these. So get into this case here, and you actually have two of those. So that comes with two of them. And then what do we have here? This is pretty sharp. This is the 2016 Chevy Camaro. The hood on that one opens up. So there's two of those. There's two of the Jeep. This is where it gets into the sort of short packed ones, because these are one per case. We have the 1965 Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback with doors you can open and close. Just dropping stuff here. Here we go. This is the 1983 Buick Riviera. Nice convertible there. Would have been quite the stylish chap driving around in this car back in the day. Opening doors on that one. Let's see what else we got here. We have the 2006 Ford Crown Victoria Police Cruiser. This one is a sheriff vehicle here. Opening and closing doors so that you can put the perps in the back there. Imaginary law enforcement. And finally, I just dropped these all over the place because I am out of practice on showing off any kind of unboxing. What do we have here? This is the 1964 Pontiac Grand Prix. Opening doors on that one. I actually need to ask my dad. I think my dad might have had this car or similar to it in real life back in the day. So that is that. That is my first unboxing in well over a year. And this is the Matchbox Moving Parts assortment. For those of you that do collect these, this is the 956H assortment. Again, these have been out for a few months, so it's not really super new to the collector market. But, you know, I tend to lean into stuff that I hope that parents will be buying for their kids, because really that's what it's all about. For more toys every single day, check out toybook.com.